I like to keep the screws in the same general position as they are in the laptop, so sometimes if they're set in the same position for years, they like to stay in the same position. So there you go, all the screws are out, as you can see here. And as you see, these top 3 screws are a little bit longer than the rest of the 7 screws. So that's why it's good to keep it in their general location. Okay, now we need to pry open the case. So I'm going to pry open this slowly with 2 knives, because I believe most of us don't have a special tool to open any electronics. You will hear some sounds. Okay, so here we are. So I think it looks pretty good. Yep. All right, popped it open. I just have to warn you, it's a little tough. The case is wedged in pretty good, whatever it is, and I also broke my tip of the knife. So, but it's all good. So it may take a little more force than what you're expecting, basically. Okay, so here we are, the inside of the laptop. And this is the hard drive we're looking to replace. Let's get this sticker off, which is probably gonna void the warranty, which I don't have anymore. Okay, so now here is our hard drive, and this is a new one. So you'll need Phillips 00 screw for that. That's this little thing. And let's take it out. All right. Nice and smooth. Put it right there safely. There's a little tab over here, as you see. That's what is holding it. So there it goes. Pop out. It's a new one. Pop it in. And press. That's a click. I mean, this tab is over here, that's making a click sound. And here's the screw. Okay, slowly. Uh-oh. Alright, I don't know, there's some magnet over here. That's its things getting stuck to it. It might be the speaker, I don't know. That is not the problem right now. Problem is got the screw in its place. So put it there. Usually turn the screwdriver in the wrong direction until you feel a click. And then go right ways. That's how you will not lose the thread. Alright, not too tight, but tight enough. Excellent. That's it. Now just put the cover back in the way it came out. I think it just goes in Yeah, looks like somebody scribbled on it. No idea. Well, alright. Okay, let's put it back in. Yep. Snap, snap. 10 screws in the way it came out, and we'll start the computer and keep our fingers crossed. Here's the last screw going in. That's good. This screw was very tight and it did strip the bit, one of my T4 bits, so it may happen. Luckily I had another one and it worked out. So screw might be a little tighter than you think. Now let's see how we did with our new hard drive. This is the moment of truth. All right. Looks like everything is working. Let's check. And there it is. We have lots of space available now. Excellent. To erase the old hard drive and use that as your backup to store any extra pictures and data. Okay, so now I've used my computer for a couple of days and everything is working fine. So now I'm going to show you the last step. I have my old SSD in here already and we're going to erase it. Because it has Windows operating system in it, we cannot erase it just by formatting it. So I'll show you how to erase the disk completely and then you can use it as your backup drive. First you need to know what is the number. So if you click on the disk management, and as you see, this is 1 TB hard drive that we replaced, and this is the old one, 238 GB. We need to erase data from this one. Now I will show you how. This is disk 1. That's what you need to remember. So right click on the start button and click run. Say disk part. Say okay. Click yes. And if you forgot what number disk was, you can say list disk. And disk 0 is our internal SSD, and disk 1 is the one we need to erase. So now we need to select. So select disk 1. Enter. Disk 1 is selected. And next command is clean. So that will erase everything. Okay, so we are done with this. As you see, external disk is now black and it's not initialized, so we will have to initialize this disk first. So close, right click on start again, disk management, and it's telling that we need to initialize our external drive. First I try with the GPT format, but my laptop is 5 years old and the note here says the GPT partition style is not recognized by all previous versions of Windows. And so the GPT version did not work. So I'm going to click MBR. If GPT, you can try GPT first. If it doesn't work, no big deal. You can erase the disk again and start over. It's easy. But I'm going to click MBR, click OK. Okay, so now the disk is online, and we have to click right click on the disk and click on new simple volume. That will you can select the letter for the disk. I'm going to select E for external. Next, keep it as default. You can change the name of your disk here. I'm going to say 250 GB SSD. Next, and finish. There. Now our disk is showing up as blue, and it's open. The folder is completely empty. Let's click on there. There we go. It's our 1 TB disk. This is our external drive, which is completely empty, and you can use it for any other storage, extra stuff you have. So it's very simple. Thank you for watching. As I said, this is my first video, so you can comment and help me how to make it better. Thank you.